This came in about 2 days ago, and today I will be opening it up. This is the RYobi 100 milliamp hour battery lawnmower. Non-gas, battery operated lawnmower. Now I'm looking forward to using this. I just decided to, I'm going from this small lawnmower, which worked very well. We've just increased our property, and it's an additional 2 acres of land. So this is just not gonna do. This was when we were just under an acre. We added another acre or acre and a half. And will take too long. This is also, which I've done a video on, battery operated. I will be keeping them for the front lawn, since that's very difficult to get a ride on around. And it'll be easy to get around that with the actual push one, or the I forget what they call them, self-propelled or self-pushing or helping lawnmower. I'm going to do several videos on this, since if I did everything I wanted to, it would probably last about 5 hours. So I'm going to first do a look at an unboxing, unpacking, so you can see what you get. This is how it comes, exactly like this. The gentleman dropped it into the garage, which I'm very happy for. It was private delivery, not UPS, not FedEx, private delivery. Some moving company that they hired. They were very nice people, very helpful, very good at their work. They dropped it off. It came exactly like this. It had been raining when they dropped it off. It was raining for 2 days, so I didn't want to do the unboxing until it stopped raining. It's a beautiful day now, so I'm gonna actually do the unboxing now. I'm doing some garage cleanup. I'm trying to make some room for this actual lawnmower so I can store it in the garage. So again, I'm gonna do an unboxing, and then I'm putting it together and a real close-up look at this item. So the close-up, I'm gonna try to make it a 4K video. So the close-up look, hopefully will look really good. And I'm just gonna give you an overall look, like if you were at the store with your eyeballs on the actual item. And from there, I'll go to the mowing, how much I'll mow on one charge. I'll also do, how long it takes to charge and how much I get out of a charge, how many hours, how much I mowed. And then I'll go to the accessories. Those will be other videos that I'm looking forward to using, the sweeper and the seeder, see how well that works or doesn't work. So I'm gonna try to do many, many videos on this actual product. If you have any questions, hopefully I can answer it. Feel free to ask them below. I'm pretty good. I usually get back within a day or two, but be patient. Sometimes I get, 5 questions. Sometimes I get 30 questions. So give me a day or two to answer them, especially if I have to research or come out here and look at it. But I'm gonna be taking some detailed pictures also, so that if you wait until the end of this one video, you'll see detailed photos of the actual item. Wheels, everything. I'm gonna try to get everything I could on it. So let's go to unpacking. So I don't know how fast I'm gonna make this video. I'm probably just gonna end up I don't know. You know what, let me just play it regular. Hopefully it's not too long. That wasn't too bad. It was not too long. So that's the plastic off of it. I just put it to the side. Son, can you lay these out? All the boxes. Sure. And this will be this also. Anything else that's in here? I'll give a close-up look of everything. I just want to make sure everything's to the side. So there are 3 boxes that come here. We'll open those up and see what's in there. Can you open those up for me? And just open the box and see what's... I think this gets cut. Right there. So this is the chair. So that was actually the chair here. RYobi chair. Let me get a close-up look at it before I assemble it. So it has a sensor. This is probably a sensor to let you know if you're on it. Actually, it looks like you can slide it back and forth for people with different heights or foot lengths. And actually, I guess that's the problem. I'm gonna cut these up and get it all this off. I'm not gonna be able to film. Oh look, scan for assembly. Okay, I have a picture of that at the end.
Scan for assembly.
So this is scan for assembly video. So before we do all that, I'm just going to take this apart so I can show you a better view. But my wife has something interesting that was in the box.
In one of the boxes. It indicates that if no ramp is available, you drive the mower off of the frame in a reverse. Driving the mower off the frame in the forward direction without a ramp can cause damage to the mower's cutting deck.
Thank you. So what's in the first box, it looks like?
So the first box has a big stop sign, and it includes directives to read the owner's manual, which was inside the box. And then it includes probably building tools. What appears to be
What is
stickers.
this? What is this? Oh,
That could be
it's
some
for the
kind of
lawnmower
cover or
cover
something.
and the edge. That might be for...
Is that the keys? That's the keys.
that's the key. You can't use that. And that's what's in the first box. What's in the second box?
That was the notice not to drive. Correct. There's a steering wheel plus the notice not to drive off of the
Oh, that's a
holding
steering wheel.
cage.
Cool. Just lay everything right here on the floor.
A very heavy piece of metal, like a protective bar. But and then I'm not sure what that is.
All right, we'll open it up in a minute and we'll
Okay.
show them everything.
And then another box with probably some tools
Can
in
you
it.
open it up? Nice and I don't know what that is. The box next to each content.
Yeah, this one's sealed.
So what's in the third and final box?
I think that's
That should be the bag. I'm missing the bag. No, that's the battery charger.
Well, it's battery related.
I guess the bag, because I bought a combined unit, which came with the item in the back. I don't know, I guess that might be in another. It might have been part of a separate packaging. So that's the actual charger itself. And we're gonna, can you take this apart, please? So that is with this. Can you move that seat back? Don't drag it, please. Just pick it up and put it over right there. And I'll place that there. Thank you. And that is the actual charger, which I will be mounting on the ceiling here. What's that? Oh, that's nothing, right? It's pretty heavy.
Almost looks like a Tesla charger a little bit.
I think that's the idea behind it. It needs like a transformer to do it. Put that here. Put that here. So that's everything that comes inside. I gotta find the one with the bag that has the back in the back. So I'm done with unclipping it. It had wire ties everywhere. Oh, I forgot that one. I'm going to take that one off too. It had wire ties everywhere. And now I'm going to just take apart the actual assembly from the rear so I can back it out. But this is everything that is inside, so that you can get a good view out of it. This is everything. Nice steering wheel. Oh, it doesn't come with the little knob, so you can turn. The easy steering knob.
No.
No, this is not gonna work. I'm not gonna keep filming, but we're gonna get rid of all these screws on these bars going up and down, left and right. We're taking out the back side. And let's just get them all off. So I'll show you with it completely off. It's hard to do with one hand. So I think we overkilled it in that we removed every single pole that we could remove from the actual crate, the metal crate. It's all gone. We took every single thing out and we're gonna start working on it. So what's the first thing we have to do?
Okay, so we already removed the boxes, set aside the accessories, look through the part list. We connect the battery.
Okay, let's do that late. Oh, it actually comes disconnected.
Shipped from the factory, the Mower's batteries are disconnected.
Okay, so
To
yeah,
connect, you press the tabs in the wiring cover and lift the cover to remove.
I don't know.
Connect the two ends of the battery quick connect plug together. Note, before installing the wiring cover, install the seat as described in the next section.
There it is.
I think you need to connect the battery because otherwise you won't get it off the frame.
No, what happens is these things come, when they come with battery, disconnected. And I always forget that. I don't know what this little cap thing is for. This fell right off. So we had to pull this up. It comes with tabs at the end. So who wants to do the honors of connecting the batteries? It's 2 terminals. Hold on one more. So this whole unit is the actual battery. I can't tell where the actual battery is, but this is what the unit looks like. So you want to put it together?
Do I?
Oh,
No. Wait, you just.
one comes. Oh, that's pretty cool. One comes bolted. Hold on, let the people see what you're doing.
You can bolt that one as well. But
So,
I guess you
that comes
swap out.
screwed already. I think that stays like that. And the plus is gonna be red, and the black's gonna be. The red's gonna be plus, and the black is gonna be negative. So you just snap it together. Okay, it's in. Then we put this back.
And then it says, before you put the cover back on, we install the seat. So don't put the cover back on.
And we don't need. Oh, okay.
I don't know why.
So can you pick up the seats, son?
Oh, I see why. Because you gotta connect this, and you see that little hole right there.
Oh, this one.
This is gonna connect there, and
So
then
that cable
hole's gonna run
connects
through
to
Okay,
here.
so hold on. So it says, to install the seat, first you remove bolts and flange nuts from the seat mounting bracket. So the bolts and flange nuts on the mounting bracket?
These.
Okay.
These things come off?
Why do you, then you place the seat assembly
No,
over the
wait, they
mounting
don't.
bracket.
Wait,
Oh no, this goes. No, this can't be removed.
This
'cause this goes on
this-
here.
This has to be removed though.
No, wait, hold on a second.
Hold on one moment. So I think you have to do. Do we have to do this with the chair? And what do we have to
Okay,
remove?
So once we remove the bolts and the flange nuts from the seat mounted bracket, we would have been here and here.
We only have
So
one.
we're missing one. Then it says place the seat assembly, which is what he's holding, over the mounting brackets and align the holes as shown.
We're reading the instructions, but I'm gonna go and do this on my own. And if I'm wrong, we'll redo it. So can you plug that in, son, to the chair? That's gonna go in there. There's only one way it fits. And then turn the chair around so that these things are facing forward, son. Now we have one bolt, because one bolt is missing. It came like this, I believe.
Yes, the bolt comes from the outside in, and then the flange nut from the inside.
Okay.
So that's the nut.
Yep. And
We have a...
so now I put that in. My son's gonna tighten this. No, with the socket
I'm
wrench.
sorry.
You gotta do it the opposite way. No, set it the opposite way. Doesn't fit. So it's untightening. That one doesn't fit. I might have to get another one.
Too small. This one.
Okay, go ahead, son. I'll hold it here. Tighten it. So we're missing one. I'm gonna look for it. I'm hoping it got lost within the actual unit, but I'm gonna have to get another screw
Well, I
if
have a
I
feeling
can.
we're missing another bolt as well, because the steering shaft unit talks about 2 bolts, and it only came with 1 bolt.
There's one connected here.
There's 2 connected
what-
here.
2 or 1?
No, there's only one and another one in the front.
Yeah, I know, but that one...
All right, we gotta figure this out because that one's missing a bolt there. Maybe somebody needed an extra part and they saw the unit.
No, it's 2 bolts. 1 for here and 1 for here. This already comes like that.
So it's supposed to be pre-installed.
No.
Unless it's that unit that you have in your hand.
Okay.
So the next thing we're installing is the steering shaft. And, does that hole have to align there?
Mm-hmm. Like that.
That's this piece that came with it. That lines up there.
And then it says install 2 bolts and tighten securely. Unfortunately, again, we only got 1 bolt with this part.
So that'll go straight through? No, that
Is
doesn't
there-
go straight through.
Is there bolt hole and coupler?
So we put one of the screws that come with it here. Is it already down where the opening is? Yeah. Is that right?
Yes.
I was gonna say to unscrew the other one, right? Can you
No.
get the Allen key and tighten this, please?
Sure.
So again, just to show you, there's a hole there, and it's got to go down to the hole right there, and we put the screw to keep it down.
And I was wrong. It's not missing the other bolts already there.
Okay, so let's tighten that up. Let's tighten that one first.
What my hand did.
All right, I'll do that. Get the steering wheel. There's one more nut left that should be for the steering wheel. But I'll probably need the cover, right?
Insert steering column over shaft.
Okay, so you're gonna put the cover on there. Hold on one moment. It's 6 pounds of torque, but I don't have a torque wrench. So I'm gonna go by, I can't even reach this one. So hopefully that's correct. Let me try. Hold on. Oh. And then this. All right, everything's as tight as I can make it. Now we put the cover on there, the steering cover.
It has these little 2 tabs, which are going to click in place. And then, according to the image, it goes with the short flat part in the front and the longer flat part in the back,
Go for it.
I believe. I'll try it.
Follow the instructions in the video. Don't follow my instructions. I'm just
Sorry,
doing this
I was
for.
wrong. It's actually the other way.
Okay, this is the way you put them. Follow the instructions. We're no experts. We kind of do it with the manual. Get an idea of how to do it. There's a video on it. You can watch that video of mine, but I'm not expert. I'm not being held responsible. Make sure that you follow the instructions, because if I make a mistake, then you're in trouble. So confirm and then verify
Then it's the
and then
steering
confirm
wheel
again.
cover. Sorry.
Right, son? Confirm, verify, confirm, verify, and then confirm some more.
Then after that, a flange washer pointed up. I'm not sure where I would get that from. Oh, here it is. Okay. They're both the same size. So there's two flange washers. One goes there and it goes pointed up. Then the spring. Oh, yes, that's correct. Then another flange washer pointed down.
So it has a groove on it, like that, you see? So the groove on the bottom faces up in the spring, and then the groove on top faces down into the spring, kind of to keep it stable, the spring. Okay?
And then a steering wheel hub with the wider part at the bottom.
Okay, your holder.
I'm
And
just
then-
double checking to make sure I don't have any extra pieces. Okay. And then the steering wheel itself comes on. Bring the steering wheel.
Hold on one moment. So it's the same grooves and mold as that actual device. This is the back of it. Hold on one moment. Okay, easy, nice and easy. And I think, where's the screw go then?
Then, oh, it's already got a cover on it.
So the cover, you have to take it off?
I think so, because it indicated you had to install the cover, so they probably
Oh.
pre-installed it for you.
So the whole thing comes up?
I
Oh
can't
yeah, it
see.
does. Okay, let me take
It
that off.
does.
So this whole part comes up. And now we put the nut, right?
No. Now
No?
we put the flat,
Hold on, show that from real quick.
it's a flat washer.
There's no
Big one.
nothing, just flat. Okay. Go ahead.
I always wondered about that. Should I do the rounded edge? They want to do the rounded edge on the top.
Screw.
The nut.
Can you get the socket wrench, please, son? I'm assuming not too tight.
Before you
So
tighten it.
just before anything, always make sure that the steering wheel is facing forward when you put in this. I'm sorry. Make sure that the wheels are facing straight and forward before you place the steering wheel on it, so that the steering wheel orientation fits the wheels themselves. So make sure both of them are straight. So now we do 6 pounds of pressure, which I have no idea what that is. Now we take the cover, it's tight enough. Now it's on. Are we done? Here are the keys. The keys are on the steering wheel. We also have another set of keys, correct?
2 other sets.
2 other sets.
Well, we have, they're not stationary stuff, which is this and that.
Um,
That's about it. We have, I think we did.
I think. So there's many keys.
So here is the lawnmower, fully complete.
Well, it's not completed yet.
Okay, we still have-
So now we just have a few more steps. Those are all the keys. Comes with a set, it looks like 3. And I think that's for mulching. Oh, that's what it is. So we're new to mowing lawns, so please bear with us. It's our first ride-along lawnmower. I think that's for mulching to keep the dirt within. So you know how we got it with the other lawnmower?
And then this one shoots out.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep it like that, the default for now. Just put that to the side. So now we have the bumper to put in right here.
Next side.
Okay, so we got to remove these screws. Son, can you come help us with the removal of these things with the socket wrench, please? So I took the screws out of here, this opening here, as you can see, and this is the way they go. So they're gonna go from this way, from the inside out, and the nut will go on the outside. I'm putting it exactly the way it came. So let's do that. Let's put in the tube, or what are we calling this piece?
It's a bumper.
So this is the bumper right here. Right here. This is the bumper, okay. And now we're gonna slide it in. My wife's going on one side, I'm going on this side. Goes on the inside here. So now we put this screw in there and we'll tighten it all up. 6 pounds of torque too, right? Son, can you come with the socket wrench? Try to hold it in place and just see if I can do it. Go ahead. Oh. Now it's complete. We put everything together. Pretty much we needed to put the steering and some part of the column together. The chair, connect the battery, and I think that cable that connects to the chair indicates if you're on it or off of it, so that way it turns off and on, a safety feature. We also needed to take apart the cart itself, put the bumper on with the screws already were screwed in here. One of the screws were missing from the chair. We're gonna have to figure out, hopefully we can roll it back and find it. There's a set of 3 keys. Everybody has the keys?
I put 2 keys away in there.
Okay. Okay, this one here. And we're gonna roll it off and put it to charge. Put this to charge. We're gonna measure that also. So, does it say we just roll it back?
Oh, wait, there was one more step if I forget. I think you have to have the lawnmower at the, up in the highest setting, like high away from the floor. Let me see how it...
So I also want to measure the length of the cable from the actual charger, transformer, whatever this is called. The actual plug-in cable is 10 feet long, 10 feet. That's this actual cable. The cable that's gonna go into an outlet. This one, the 3-prong one. Now let's measure the actual charger that goes inside the RYobi lawnmower to charge it. So the actual charger that goes into the RYobi, that is 6 feet long. So technically you get 16 feet of cable, but they are coming off of this device. So it's not like they're connected to each other. There are, you only are limited to 10 feet from this device for this charger, and then 6 feet for the actual cable or the charger itself, which is right here, 6 feet long. So we're gonna raise, before we bring it down, we're gonna raise the actual, what do you call that thing again?
It is called...
So we're gonna raise it to its...
mower blade.
Yeah, I forget the also, see how it's going up and down?
So...
We're gonna raise it to its highest so we can get it off. So it's up.
I'm sorry.
So it's now at its highest. Let me see if I can get a view of underneath there.
Cutting deck.
Cutting deck. So we raised the cutting deck to its highest point to take it off this shipping container thing. So now that I get an opportunity, let me videotape underneath here and show you the blades themselves. I can't see anything, so I'm giving you a good picture. There's 2 of them. Then this is underneath here. Everything underneath here. Okay, and let me go on the other side to give you another view. This is the actual hitch. see if I can get a video of the other side too. Right, hopefully you're getting a good picture. So we're gonna drive it off. It says to drive it off, so it must have some battery life. Let's see. So that's the hours, the battery indicator hours. Let's turn it on for the first time. Auxiliary will be to charge your phone or whatever have you. And we'll put it in, turn it on. Look at that.
Maybe not enough battery. Maybe you should just leave it charged.
And, oh. Sorry. It's on reverse. That looks like it's reverse. So now we have to decide. I raised the blade to its highest point. So that sound is because it's on reverse. Neutral, forward, neutral, reverse. It makes that noise. So let's go off the thing. I've raised it as highest point. And hopefully. Is there anything still tied to the actual? It's not too heavy for this thing. Okay, we just got it off. Now we just got to get that piece off. So we're gonna, can you turn off the actual unit itself, please? Yeah, turn it to off. Okay, and now we're gonna lift it and pull it. Now it's off. We almost lost it. I mounted the charger about 7 to 8 feet up in the air, and it's gonna be, I hope it's long enough to actually reach the actual mower. We're gonna confirm that in a minute. I'm getting towards the end of my video, but anyway, I mounted it up there with 2 screws. I plugged in the plug to a surge protector here. And now let's go take a look at the actual mower. So again, this is going to be just a look at. We just put it together. It's a real close-up look, and I'm trying my best to give you the impression I'm getting while I'm looking at it. So I hope I'm doing that. And again, we're going to do it in 4K. So son, what do you like about it?
I like how it looks like a go-kart. And I like how small it is. It's compact. It's nice.
And again, I got underneath there, so I hope that I'm getting, I got to do a tire check on these things. This is the actual size of the tire, if you can see it. Bring it forward. Son, can you do me a favor? Can you push this forward quickly? Put it on neutral and then push it forward. This is the size, yeah.
It's on neutral.
Okay, push it forward. Okay, stop. Hold on. Hold on. So you need tires for this. This is it. And it's a Wonder tire. Push it forward, son, please. Well, keep going. Okay, stop. Push back a little bit. Perfect. You can put it on forward so it stays in gear. I raise the blades up. Son, can you step back a second? So these are all the writings. Parking brake. I think you have to pull that and start it. Again, there's something to look at. I'll have more details as to how to use it later in another video. This is the blade to raise it. I don't know what this is for, but I guess I'll find out later. If you know, please let me know. Cup holder. The actual back of it. The charging port. Again, again, I'm new, totally new to all. There's one device missing, which is what I hang on the back here to pick up all the leaves and the grass. These are the actual blades themselves. Ooh, pretty sharp if you ask me. There's two of them. I don't know what this is for. Again, I'm just learning. And this is just for people who want to actually get a real detailed look at the item. This is the chair. It's pretty comfortable. No complaints except for the missing screw. I'm going to have to figure that one out. On, off, auxiliary, battery indicator, lights, cruise control, reverse motion. I don't know what this is. I guess that's for the lights. I don't know. I'll have to figure all this out. I think that's what the lights is. Try it on. Here are the lights. Okay, I just turned on the lights. And there they go. That's pretty cool. Looks sleek and mean. Pretty cool. I think it's going off because no one's sitting on it. Again, I'm gonna be more detailed as to what everything does. This is just gonna be a look at video. You saw underneath here. They're putting it together. Again, follow the instructions from the manufacturer. You could go by mine, but I'm a newbie, please. And make sure when you put the steering wheel on that everything is aligned with the front wheels. So I think that's the whole actual mower. I don't know what else to show you. And again, I'm doing much more videos on this. I'm gonna do, my next one is gonna be how long it lasts, battery life. Gonna be the hitch to hook things onto. No idea what this bar, I guess is to hose accessories. Alright. I can't get any more detail, I think. Hopefully I've covered everything. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Again, it'll be in 4K to get more detailed look at the actual item. My son loves it because it looks like a little race car, Mario Brothers type of race car. Pretty cool. All right. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye. So just before you go, this is the front wheel measurement. I know we have it on the tire itself, but I forgot to do the back wheel. About 14 inches to go to the other side. Over here, this one's a little bit taller, about 15. And can you take it out? Let's look at the measurements themselves. A little bit different. Let me move it forward. This is the rear wheel. So let's fully set it to charge. It's green. So it says to charge it overnight fully. And that's actually what I'm doing. And it's right there. It's green. Wow, it's just enough. I'm gonna have to reorganize this area just to make sure that I have to move that out of the way to get this closer, more underneath it, so that'll be less of a pull. But it's perfect. No complaints. I'll leave it overnight. Okay, again, I hope you liked the video. I really do hope it helped. Thank you. Bye. And there will be more videos on this. And if you have any suggestions of anything you want to do, I'm doing a battery test, how many acres I do actually mow, you know, things like that. Anything else you could think of that you would like to know about this mower, let me know. It'll be fun to do a video on this, on any of you guys' requests. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. 38 inches. 100 Ah battery electric rear engine riding lawn mower and bagging kit. 04042021. Cost $3,149. Purchased on Home Depot website. Low maintenance, no gas, belts, spark plugs or filters. Easily run up to 2.5 hours or 2.5 acres of mowing per charge. Fully electric riding mower with zero emissions, bagger included. Product overview. The future of mowing has taken a turn. The future of mowing has taken a turn. The RYobi 48-volt zero-turn electric riding mower is clean, quiet and powerful. This revolutionary mower provides all the power of gas without having to deal with fumes, belts, spark plugs or filters. This is the future of mowing. This is the future of mowing. Introducing the RYobi 48-volt electric riding mower family, a completely electric riding mower lineup with zero emissions and low maintenance. Experience the performance of clean power today. Goodbye gas. Hello convenience. Goodbye gas. Hello convenience. The RYobi 48-volt riding mower features 3 brushless motors that power this quiet, smooth battery-powered rider. With zero emissions and a 3-year warranty, the time to switch is now. Ultimate cutting performance. Ultimate cutting performance. The twin-blade precision-cut steel blades and 2 direct-drive brushless blade motors create an exceptional cutting experience. Zero gas. Zero gas. Easy access rear charging port and convenient overnight charging. Technology at your fingertips. Technology at your fingertips. The onboard control panel lets you engage the blades, operate the LED headlights, check your mower's battery level, turn on cruise control and charge your phone with a USB port. Intuitive handling. Intuitive handling. While the reinforced 12-gauge steel deck and rugged frame can withstand the abuse of rigorous mowing jobs, it can also get in, out and around the tightest place of your yard with responsive and intuitive handling. Exceptional run time. Exceptional run time. Get up to 2 acres of mowing on the 75 Ah model and up to 2.5 acres on the 100 Ah model. Brushless motors. Brushless motors. 3 brushless motors product unrelenting torque and power. Zero co-emissions. Zero co-emissions. No gas and zero carbon emissions. Ultimate cutting performance. Ultimate cutting performance. Intuitive response handling, exceptional durability and superior comfort. Technology. Technology. LED highlights and onboard control panel give you ultimate control. 3-year warranty. 3-year warranty. Low maintenance and superior durability complemented with 3 years of protection. It's never been a better time to turn away from gas and towards the RYobi 48V battery-powered riding mower. Achieve a clean, level cut with the 38-inch 2 blades on the RYobi 48-volt riding lawn mower and bagging kit. This is a greener alternative to a traditional riding lawn mower because of its 100 Ah lead-acid battery power. With this feature, you get 2.5 extra hours of runtime. There are LED headlights with a USB phone charger and a cruise control feature too. This engine is quiet and emits 70 decibels to allow for you to mow early and not disturb your neighbors. Battery powered, no gas, no fumes. Up to 2.5 hours of run time on one charge. Quiet cutting at less than 70 decibels. 12 position manual deck adjustments, from 1.5 in to 4.5 in. 38 inches 2-blade deck. Cruise control. LED headlights. USB charger. Charges through standard 120-volt outlet. 1 bagger and 2 bagging blades included. High-density polyethylene cover and connection tubes. Nylon mesh bagging bins. Some assembly required. Replacement battery, RYobi model LPC12-100. Learn more about the RYobi platform here. Specifications. Dimensions. Assembled depth, in. 63 in. Assembled height, in. 46 in. Assembled width, in. 38.5 in. Cutting width. 38 inches. Front wheel size, in. 15. Mower deck width. 38. Rear wheel size, in. 16. Turning radius, in. 16. Details. Assembly required. Yes. Battery amp hours. 100 Ah. Battery run time, minimum. 150. Charge time, hours. 17.5. Commercial residential. Residential. Cutting options. Bag, mulch, side discharge. Deck material. 12-gauge steel. Deck type. Stamped. Drive type. Rear wheel drive. Engine make. OEM branded. Engine torque, FT, LB. 0. Horsepower, HP. 0 HP. Included with riding mowers. Batteries. Lawn mower type. Rear engine riding mower. Maximum cutting height, in. 4.5. Maximum forward speed, miles per hour. 8. Maximum reverse speed, miles per hour. 3. Minimum cutting height, in. 1.5. Mower size. Small. Number of blades. 2 blades. Number of blades. 2. Number of deck wheels. 2. Power type. Electric. Product weight, lb. 678. Rear wheel size, in. 16 inches. Refurbished. No. Returnable. 30-day. Riding mower features. No additional features. Size of yard. 1/22 acres. Start type. Electric. Terrain type. Flat with obstacles. Transmission type. Automatic. Warranty certifications. Certifications and listings. TUV listed. Manufacturer warranty. 3-year limited warranty. Battery warranty is for 1 year only. 995,548,216-18, Rev 01. 48-volt RYobi. 38 inches. Riding lawn mower. Item numbers. RY48110, RY48111, RY48112 MFG. Numbers. 0997490009, 0997490010, 0997490011 Repair sheet. Tichtronic Industries Power Equipment. 1428 Parliamentary Road, Anderson, SC 29625, phone, 1-800-860-4050, 8 Unas, telephone 1-800-860-4050, USA, telefono 1-800-860-4050, www.ryobitools.com. 48-volt riding lawn mower, model numbers. RY 48110, RY 48111, RY 48112. The model number will be found on a label under the seat. Always mention the model number in all correspondence regarding your lawn mower or when ordering replacement parts. Warranty info. Warranty. Limited Warranty Statement. Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated, warrants to the original retail purchaser that this RYobi brand outdoor product is free from defect in material and workmanship and agrees to repair or replace, at Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated's discretion, any defective product free of charge within these time periods from the date of purchase. 3 years if the product is used for personal, family or household use. 90 days, if used for any other purpose, such as commercial or rental. This warranty extends to the original retail purchaser only and commences on the date of the original retail purchase. Any part of this product found in the reasonable judgment of Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated to be defective in material or workmanship will be repaired or replaced without charge for parts and labor by an authorized service center for RYobi brand outdoor products, authorized RYobi service center. The product, including any defective part, must be returned to an authorized RYobi service center within the warranty period. The expense of delivering the product to the service center for warranty work and the expense of returning it back to the owner after repair or replacement will be paid by the owner. Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated's responsibility in respect to claims is limited to making the required repairs or replacements, and no claim of breach of warranty shall be cause for cancellation or rescission of the contract of sale of any RYobi brand outdoor product. Proof of purchase will be required by the dealer to substantiate any warranty claim. All warranty work must be performed by an authorized service dealer. This warranty is limited to 90 days from the date of original retail purchase for any RYobi brand outdoor product that is used for rental or commercial purposes, or any other income-producing purpose. This warranty does not cover any product that has been subject to misuse, neglect, negligence, or accident, or that has been operated in any way contrary to the operating instructions as specified in this operator's manual. This warranty does not apply to any damage to the product that is the result of improper maintenance or to any product that has been altered or modified. The warranty does not extend to repairs made necessary by normal wear or by the use of parts or accessories which are either incompatible with the RYobi brand outdoor product or adversely affect its operation, performance, or durability. In addition, this warranty does not cover a. Tune-ups, spark plugs, carburetor adjustments, ignition, filters. b. Wear items, bump knobs, outer spools, cutting lines, inner reels, starter pulleys, starter ropes, drive belts, tines, felt washers, hitch pins, mulching blades, blower fans, blower and vacuum tubes, vacuum bag and straps, guide bars, saw chains. Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated, reserves the right to change or improve the design of any RYobi brand outdoor product without assuming any obligation to modify any product previously manufactured. All implied warranties are limited in duration to the stated warranty period. Accordingly, any such implied warranties including merchantability, fitness for a particular purpose, or otherwise, are disclaimed in their entirety after the expiration of the appropriate 3-year or 90-day warranty period. Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated. Obligation under this warranty is strictly and exclusively limited to the repair or replacement of defective parts, and Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated, does not assume or authorize anyone to assume for them any other obligation. Some states do not allow limitations on how long an implied warranty lasts, so the above limitation may not apply to you. Tichtronic Industries North America, Incorporated, assumes no responsibility for incidental, consequential, or other damages including, but not limited to, expense of returning the product to an authorized RYobi service center and expense of delivering it back to the owner, mechanic's travel time, telephone or telegram charges, rental of a like product during the time warranty service is being performed, travel, loss or damage to personal property, loss of revenue, loss of use of the product, loss of time, or inconvenience. Some states do not allow the exclusion or limitation of incidental or consequential damages, so the above limitation or exclusion may not apply to you. This warranty gives you specific legal rights, and you may also have other rights which vary from state to state. This warranty applies to all RYobi brand outdoor products manufactured by or for Techtronic Industries North America, Incorporated, and sold in the United States and Canada. To locate your nearest authorized RYobi service center, dial 1-800-860-4050. Assembly Guide. Assembly Guide. Guide de assemblage de armado. Electric riding. Lawn mower. Conduce electric autoporte. Podadora de pasto electrica tipo tractor. RY 48110/RY 48111/RY 48112. RM 480E RM 480X Series. Follow all instructions when assembling this riding lawn mower. If any parts are damaged or missing, those parts must be replaced before proceeding. Warning: to reduce the risk of injury, you must read and understand this assembly guide before attempting to assemble this product. Save this guide for future reference. Assembly video available at ryobitools.com/setup/riding mower. Video de assemblage disponible at ryobitools.com/setup/riding mower. Video de montage disponible on ryobitools.com/setup/riding mower. Suvestouts les instructions lorsque vous assemblez cette conduite électrique autoportée. Si elle en des pièces estate endommagées ou manquant, elle devrait être remplaquée avant de poursuivre. Avertissement: pour réduire les risques de blessure, vous devez lire et comprendre ce guide d'assemblage avant d'assembler ce produit. Conserver ce guide pour future reference. Siga todas las instructions al armar este podadora de pasto tipo tractor. Si falta alguna pieza o piezas dañadas, dichas piezas deben reemplazarse antes de proceder a utilizar el producto. Advertencia: para reducir el riesgo de lesiones, debería y comprender esta guía de armado antes de intentar armar este producto. Guard este guía para futuras consultas. Warning: strictly adhere to all torque wrench tightening specifications. Failure to do so could cause serious personal injury. All information, illustrations, photographs, and specifications contained in this manual are based on the latest product information available at the time of publication. Due to improvements or other changes, there may be some discrepancies in this manual. We reserve the right to make product changes at any time, without notice and without incurring any obligation to make the same or similar changes to any products previously built or sold. Any person attempting to assemble this product must have proper training and experience. Read this manual carefully and follow all assembly procedures as described. All assembly must be completed with the unit on a level surface. Rules for safe assembly. 2. English. Symbols. The following signal words and meanings are intended to explain the levels of risk associated with this product. Symbol. Signal. Danger. Warning. Caution. Notice. Meaning. Indicates a hazardous situation, which, if not avoided, will result in death or serious injury. Indicates a hazardous situation, which, if not avoided, could result in death or serious injury. Indicates a hazardous situation, that, if not avoided, may result in minor or moderate injury. Without safety alert symbol indicates information considered important, but not related to a potential injury, e.g., messages relating to property damage. Some of the following symbols may be used on this product. Please study them and learn their meaning. Proper interpretation of these symbols will allow you to operate the product better and safer. Symbol name designation explanation. Safety alert indicates a potential personal injury hazard. Tools needed. The following tools, not included or drawn to scale, are needed for assembly. Torque wrench, tire pressure gauge, socket wrench with 12 mm, and 14mm sockets and 6mm hex bit. English. Unpacking. Remove the bolts securing the corner and side braces. If any parts are damaged or missing, please call to the frame bottom, then lift the braces to remove 1-800-860-4050 for assistance. Cut the nylon straps securing the front and rear wheel. Note, mower should be assembled while positioned on the axles to the frame bottom. Once assembly is complete, raise the cutting. Capital R, E, M, O, V, E, B, O, X, E, S, C, O, N, T, A, I, N, I, N, G, L, O, O, S, E, P, A, R, T, assembly hardware, and documentation. Remove and set aside all accessible packaging and wrap from unit and parts. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and satisfactorily operated the product. Warning: if any parts on the loose parts list are already assembled to your product when you unpack it, verify the part is assembled correctly, is properly tightened, and is torqued correctly, where applicable, before proceeding to the next assembly step. Use of a product that may have been improperly assembled could result in serious personal injury. Inspect the product carefully to make sure no breakage or damage occurred during shipping. Deck to its highest position, then position a ramp next to the frame bottom and slowly and carefully drive mower off frame. Warning: use care when driving the mower off of the frame and press the brake pedal as needed to control the speed. The mower will freely roll if it is moved on an inclined surface without pressing the brake pedal or setting the parking brake. Failure to follow these instructions can result in loss of control and result in death, serious personal injury, or property damage. Notice: if no ramp is available, slowly and carefully drive the mower off the frame in reverse while looking down and behind. Driving the mower off the frame in the forward direction without a ramp can cause damage to the mower's cutting deck. 4. English. If any parts are damaged or missing, do not assemble this product until the parts are replaced with new original manufacturer's parts or their equivalent. Assembly of this product with damaged, missing, or incorrect parts could result in serious personal injury. Loose parts list. Warning: strictly adhere to all torque wrench tightening specifications. Failure to do so could cause serious personal injury. Warning: do not attempt to modify this product or create accessories not recommended for use with this product. Any such alteration or modification is misuse and could result in a hazardous condition leading to possible serious personal injury. Warning: to prevent accidental starting that could cause serious personal injury, always remove the start key from the tool when you are assembling parts. Connect the battery. See Figure 1. When shipped from the factory, the mower's batteries are disconnected. To connect, press the tabs on the wiring cover and lift the cover to remove. Connect the two ends of the battery quick connect plug together. Note: before reinstalling the wiring cover, install the seat as described in the next section. Wiring cover. Tab. Install the seat. See Figure 2. Remove bolts and flange nuts from seat mounting brackets. Place the seat assembly over the mounting brackets and align holes as shown. Reinstall bolts and flange nuts and tighten securely. Route seat safety interlock cable through hole in wiring cover, then attach to plug on mower. Reinstall wiring cover and make sure it is securely seated. Assembly. Seat assembly. Wiring cover. Plug. Bolt. Flange nut. Bolt. Mounting bracket. Fig. 2. Mounting bracket. Battery quick connect plug. Fig. 1. 6. English. Safety interlock cable. Assemble the steering column. See Figures 3-4. Install the upper steering shaft into the coupler, rotating as needed to align hole and shaft with bolt hole and coupler. Install 2 bolts and tighten securely. Torque to 6 feet lbs. Insert steering column over shaft. Note the tabs on the bottom of the steering column that fit into the holes in the opening and make sure steering column is securely seated. Install the steering column cover so that it is seated securely. The upper steering shaft will protrude through the opening in the cover. Install the flange washer, flange up, the spring, the second flange washer, flange down, and the steering wheel hub onto the upper steering shaft. Make sure the mower's wheels are pointed straight ahead, then install the steering wheel over the wheel hub. Install the flat washer and flange nut, tighten securely. Torque nut to 6 feet lbs. Install the steering wheel cover. Upper steering wheel cover. Flange nut flat washer. Steering wheel hub. Flange washer, pointed down. Spring. Flange washer, pointed up. Steering column cover. Steering column. Tabs holes. Assembly. Steering shaft. Upper coupler bolt hole. Bolt. Hole and shaft. Coupler. Bolt hole and coupler. Bolt. Fig. 3. Shaft. 7. English. Fig. 4. Assembly. Installing the bumper flange. See Figure 5. Nut. Flange hex head bolts nut. Remove the flange nuts and hex head bolts securing the bumper cover to the mower frame. Install the bumper into the openings at the front of the mower frame as shown. Align the holes in the bumper, the mower frame, and the bumper cover. Reinstall the hex head bolts and flange nuts and tighten securely. Check tire pressure. Check the air pressure in all tires before use. Improper air pressure will affect handling, steering response, traction, tire life, level cutting, and operator comfort. Be sure tires are inflated to the pressure shown below. Note, tire pressure should only be measured or adjusted when tires are cold. Recommended pressure 20 psi, 137.9 kPa. Warning. Check the tire pressure carefully while inflating. Too much air in the tire could cause the tire to burst, causing serious personal injury. Charge the mower. See Figure 6. Mower batteries must be charged overnight before first use. To verify mower batteries are fully charged, check the battery level indicator. To charge. Insert charger plug into charging port on mower, making sure it is properly connected. Connect charger to power supply using normal household current of 120 V, AC only, 60 Hz. Do not charge in an area of extreme heat or cold. Remove the charger from the mower once it is fully charged and ready for use. Charging port charger plug. Bumper cover. Final preparation. Bumper. Fig. 5. Fig. 6. 8. English. Warning. To avoid accidental starting or movement of the mower that could result in serious personal injury, always remove the start key and set the parking brake when leaving the mower unattended. Notice. Always connect the mower to the charger when the unit is not in use. If it is not possible to leave the mower charge air connected, make sure to charge the batteries fully at least once a month. Final preparation. Test the safety interlock system. See Figure 7. This mower features a safety interlock system to protect the operator by shutting off the blades if the operator leaves the seat with the blades running. Test the system to be sure it is working correctly. To test, make sure direction control switch is in neutral, and position and blade engage knob is down. Install start key and turn 2 on position. Raise blade engage knob to activate blades. Briefly lift off the seat, but do not get off the mower. The blades should shut off within 5 seconds. If they don't, verify you connected the safety interlock cable as described on page 6. If the cable is connected but the system still doesn't function, contact customer service. Do not operate the mower until the safety interlock system has been repaired. 1-800-860-4050. Apple or Lamiel. www.ryobitools.com